Kajala Megalaya Hadokashpo James Subject Arp Kandai Nailar Arja Arpo, Kaladan Frangut Kibio Thamayu COVID-19, but Arp Lying would keep blocked no. Office of DHS MI, Kalapintip and Kiniki Prangut Kibio Thamai, Hindrewood Kidena East Castle District, Hakabai Way Denaka Armed Force, but Sanwood Kiriu Pied Ba, but Armut Park Kidekiriu Pied Ba, na South Garo Hills District. Nakinigi Arp Lying would keep appointment Takasni, Sanwood Kidekiriu Pied Ba, na East Castle District, Iway Riu Pied Ba, na North Garo Hills District, but Kat Prangut na Riboy District, Kibakinto be Armut Naka Armed Force, but Kan Ringwood Kiriu Pied Ba. The Kajingo Thamai Kinigi Prangut, but Kajinko no Kinigi Arp Lying wood, Kajala Megalaya had open me, Yakanika Kubor, Kadan Arhaja Arspa, Sapo Prataliki positive case, Shiaja Arspa, Sanpunyo Taliki active case, Kandai Prapuate the leak recovered case, but she pong would give la no. Nakinika Shiaja Arspa, Sanpunyo Taliki active case, East Castle District, Kadan Praspa, Prapunyo Tali. Hakaba Arspa Prapusan would Kidinaka Armed Force at Pal Military Force, Van Riuspa Armwood Nakiru Paidba, West Castle District Kadan South League active case, Riboy District Sanpo R, Hakaba Sanwood Kidinaka Armed Force at Pal Military Force, but South Punyong would Kiru Paidba, West Giant Hills District Kadan Arthali, East Giant Hills Katsan, West Garo Hills Chispa Sanpupra, Hakaba Kandaipo Prang would Kidinaka Armed Force at Pal Military Force, Van Riupong would Kiru Paidba, South West Garo Hills District Kadan Light League active case, South Garo Hills Katlai. Hakaba Katwaygut Kidenaka Armed Force, but Armwood Kiriu Pied Ba. Is Garo Hills District and New Poetry active case, but cannot Garo Hills District and Kat Arthur active case.